Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and today we are going to work on this practice assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is open and download the spreadsheet into Microsoft Excel. Then you're going to select cells A9 to C9 and highlight these cells in yellow. After that, you're going to select cells A10 to A23 and highlight these cells in the light blue color. Then you're going to merge and center cell A1 to cells K1. You're going to change the font size to 31 and a font color to red with a pink highlight color. Then you're going to select cell D10 and enter this formula. So remember, to enter formulas, we always start with the equal sign. So it's going to be equals, open parentheses, B10 minus C10, close parentheses, and then hit enter. Then you're going to copy this formula down to cells D23. To do that, you want to put your cursor on the bottom right-hand corner of that cell, and when it turns into that solid black plus sign, you're going to hold it and then drag it down. Then you're going to type 154 in cells E2 to E25. Use the same copy fill feature. Then you're going to select cells C4 to E7 and highlight these cells in the color red. Then you're going to type today's date in cell G7 and then next week's date in cell G8. Then you're going to select both these cells, telling the computer you want weekly dates. And then you're going to copy that all the way down and stop at cell G30. Then you can adjust the column if necessary, save and submit. And those two dates you're plugging in would be today, April 8th, 2025, and then April 15th, and then the computer will be doing the rest. Thanks. This is all practice. Hope this helps you. Till next time. Bye.